What's up, guys? My name is Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and welcome to my channel. Today, in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to calculate AdSense revenue. So, if you're a blogger, a webmaster, or you have an app, a mobile app on Google Play Store, chances are that you would or you have already monetized your website, your blog, or your mobile app with Google AdSense. And remember, Google AdSense is the number one website or app monetization platform. And if you monetize your website or app, that's chances that if you have a lot of traffic, then you're going to make a lot of money. So today in this tutorial, I want to teach you how you can calculate AdSense revenue. That's if your website, your blog, or your mobile app has been monetized. So how much you earn with AdSense depends on a lot of factors, and they include the geography, the audience, the demographics, the device, the niche, the ad, the layout, the seasonality. So all of these factors really determine how much you can earn with Google AdSense. And it can really be difficult to predict the exact amount you will earn with AdSense. But today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily calculate or estimate your projected revenue from Google AdSense. So, like always, I need you to sit back, grab a cup of coffee, a bowl of popcorn, or your favorite soda, and watch me do this. But before we proceed, I need you to do something for me. If this is your first time of visiting my channel or checking out any of my contents, kindly click on the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you get notified whenever I publish new videos or update my existing content. This is to ensure that you don't miss out whenever there's an update, because I usually give out free stuff to my subscribers and to my channel viewers. I like to give out free stuff, sometimes free courses. I also give out monetary bonuses. So to ensure you don't miss out whenever I give out any of my freebies, kindly ensure you subscribe and also tap the bell notification icon. All right, guys, if you've done that, let's proceed to the business of the day. And like I said, today we're going to learn how to calculate Google AdSense revenue. Okay, so to do this, we're going to use a free tool. And if you've been watching my videos for some time, you would observe I always use this platform. It's called freetoolshub.com. It's a free SEO and digital tools platform where you can use over 100 premium tools for free without paying a dime. Yeah, these tools are free to use and you can use it over and over again without paying a cent. Okay, so we've landed on the page, and right now we need to search for the AdSense calculator or AdSense revenue calculator tool. So to find this tool, you just go to the search bar and type in AdSense calculator. Awesome. So let's wait for it to load up. Okay, so the AdSense revenue calculator tool has loaded up, and right now we're going to see how we can calculate our projected or estimated AdSense revenue. So we just need to scroll down and get to the tools proper. Okay, so now I've gotten to the tools proper, and you can see we have the daily page impressions, the page CTR, which is the click-through rate, and the cost per click. So let's say your page, you're having a daily impression of 1,000 impressions per day, and your click-through rate could be, let's say, 0.3, and the cost per click in dollars, let's say, could be, let's use a 50, let's use 50 cents, okay? Let's use a 50 cents, yeah, sorry. Let's say 0.50, yeah, 50 cents. So just click on the calculate earnings to see our projected or estimated AdSense revenue using these figures. So click on the calculate earnings button, wait for it to load up. Awesome. So as you can see, the AdSense calculator, AdSense revenue calculator tool has given us the projected or estimated earnings from the figures we use. And as you can see with these figures, our daily earnings will be $1.5, the monthly earnings will be $45, and the yearly earnings $540. So the daily clicks 3, the monthly clicks 90, and the yearly clicks 1,080. So guys, this is how you can easily calculate or estimate your projected revenue from AdSense. And this tool works for AdMob, all the AdSense monetization formats. If you have an AdSense monetized blog or a website or mobile app, you can easily use this tool to get an estimated or projected sum of how much you earn or how much you stand to earn from Google AdSense on your website. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This will be all for now. Remember to stay tuned and check out my channel for the next video. Bye for now. I'm signing out. Stay blessed. And don't forget to hit the like button and also share this content on social media because sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Bye bye.